So when we're shaping bread, we're trying to build tension in the dough without deflating the dough, and we want every movement to have a strong purpose.
Okay.
So I'm gonna cut away some dough for you. Here's your dough, and here's mine. We're gonna do this together, okay? So we're gonna take this top part here, and we're gonna stretch it and fold it over.
Fold it over.
Excellent. Now we're gonna take the right-hand side, okay, and just kind of dance with it, stretch and fold it over. And fold it over, excellent. Look how much tension you've built in your dough. Okay, so now we're gonna take our bread and we're gonna pick it up and make sure that the seam is on our palm here. I'm almost like squeezing it a little bit.
Okay.
And again, I'm gonna put sesame seeds on mine.
All right.
And then drop it in here.
Right in there.
You ready?
Swoop.
Yes, good. Grab that seam from the bottom, excellent.
Okay.
Okay, let's coat this. Beautiful, pick it up and drop it in. You have just shaped a gorgeous loaf of bread.
Voila.
Voila.
Huh?